Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different DIY birthday gift ideas. If you haven't seen any of my other previous videos like this, I will have them linked down below. I love filming these, but it's been a very hot minute since I've done one, so I wanted to reintroduce this video back into my new aesthetic, my new vibe, and kind of revamp it a little bit. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, find it helpful, and leave a comment down below when your birthday is, because I always like knowing these things. And if you want to guess mine, it's in October, but if you guess the date right, I will reply to your comments. So definitely do that down below. And of course, if you're new, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you so wish to do so. I would really appreciate that. And let's jump into the DIY gifts. I'm having a really hard time talking today, so let's just do it. Wow, it's been a long time since I've done a voiceover. Hopefully this goes well, but the first DIY gift idea is for a lavender body scrub. And of course, you can do any scent depending on the person you're giving this to. It doesn't have to be lavender. There is a million recipes on Pinterest, and that is where I found mine. So I started off with a cup of sugar, and depending on the jar you're going to put this in, you may want to double the recipe. And the recipe I actually looked called for almond oil, but I just used coconut oil because I actually love the scent of coconuts, and I thought it would go good with the lavender. So I just put that into a bowl and I'm whisking it together. You don't want to whisk it too much, but you do want to make sure it is pretty combined. And then go ahead and add in some vitamin E oil. I just use this one I had from the Body Shop. Of course, you can buy vitamin E oil probably anywhere or online, so pretty accessible and good for the skin. As you guys can see, I am mixing in every ingredient as I go, just to make sure everything is super combined and well mixed in. And then the next step is to add some vanilla extract, which you definitely probably have in your home already. And of course, you're going to want to add in some lavender essential oil. I picked mine up at Michael's, but again, it's super accessible. You can find it pretty much anywhere that has essential oils or online. So you want to add 15 drops of that. And then I also did have some little lavender buds, so I wanted to add that for a bit of color. Of course, you can use food coloring to change it to a light purple color, or add sprinkles because it's a birthday gift. Whatever you want, you can add a little bit of fun and flavor in that way. So yeah, I just started to combine that, and then take a jar. Any jar will do that has a good seal. I got mine at the dollar store, and then just go ahead and fill it up. Again, I could have doubled the recipe because the jar was a little bit more spacious, but that is the completed body scrub. I don't know about you guys, but I always made friendship bracelets as a kid, and so I wanted to make something kind of along those lines. And so this is going to be the macrame keychains, and I think this is so great if you have a lot of people you want to make birthday gifts for but don't really want to spend a ton of money and you're kind of a crafty person. Honestly, anyone can do this because I don't consider myself a crafty person, but this is super fun and relaxing, and it just takes me back to those summers where I made like a million bracelets. So it's super fun. To get started on these keychains, I'm only going to be sharing with you one style, but again, you can look on Pinterest to see if you want to do a more intricate design basically. So I'm cutting my cord, and you're going to need 2 pieces, and then that will create 4 strands that you can work off of. And then just some basic key rings. Again, you can get those at the dollar store, super accessible and easy to find. And you're going to want to loop it around. I'm going to be really terrible at explaining this to you, so hopefully you can understand from the visuals, but you basically just want to loop it through and then pull it tight, and that should look like this. And then repeat that with the other piece of string, and make sure you do line up your strings so they're somewhat the same size. And you'd be surprised how fast this string goes, so I definitely recommend cutting it longer than you would normally think. And then you should be left with 4 strands like this. And I definitely recommend hooking the keyring onto something when you're working on the keychain because it's so much easier. So I just used my planner and looped it in, secured it down, and then I'm ready to start the macrame. So you're going to take the far left string and make a 4, take the far right string and then loop it over top, and then scoop it under all of the strings such as this, and then pull it tight. And that is essentially what you want to do for the entire thing. Again, I'm only doing the one design, so it's fairly easy. You repeat the same step over and over again, and you should get a beautiful twist in the cord. And hopefully I explained that right. You do want to just make a 4 over top of all of them, and then scoop the right one. Once you have put it over top, scoop it under, pulling it tight. Again, so many tutorials online. Hopefully this is good. And again, if you've made friendship bracelets in the past, you're totally gonna know how to do this, and it'll all come back to you. So I did want to add a little bit of a decoration to mine, and the beads I actually purchased were too small. So make sure if you are doing this, get beads that have a big enough opening that will, you know, secure in, but the tassels actually worked perfectly. So what I did was I made sure that the tassel was going to be shown on the outside. So the cord that is kind of flat to the front, that is where I did it. So I just kind of cut a small edge and then licked it, because it does really take a little bit of effort to get these things on. So I just kind of scooped it on and then pulled it over tightly. You know, you just have to be patient with it, and then pull it tight, and then you have a cute little tassel on. It's so cute, and I really like the color variation of this. So I just continued that all the way down. Again, really easy once you get the hang of it. I mean, it's not even that time consuming. It probably took me maybe 3 minutes to do all these, and it's super fun. And then for the end, I didn't show you guys, but I actually just tied them off, and then I added some little kind of like a peachy colored string at the bottom to tie it all together, double knotted it, and this is what the finished keychain looks like. And of course, the last one is a gift basket. So this is a girls' night themed basket. Of course, if you're gonna do a type of wine, make sure you're 21 plus, and also you have to be 21 plus to buy it. So that pretty much says it all. Anyway, you're gonna wanna start off with a cute decorative box, and then of course, add the wine. If you know your friend is a wine drinker, this is great. If they like some other type of alcohol, then buy that, because you don't wanna give something they're not gonna drink. And so I definitely love this rosé. It's so cute. I got it at Target. Such an adorable bottle and everything. So then I just put that in the box with, I know these are champagne glasses. I'm very much aware that they are not wine glasses. However, they were the smallest ones. I think they fit pretty well, and I got them at the dollar store. So if you want to do this inexpensively, definitely check out your dollar store for cute glassware, or you can do a little bit more expensive depending on your budget. It's always nice to include a little chocolate or candy, so I put that in the back. And then of course, I love face masks, you guys know, and I'm pretty sure everyone does, and it's such a nice little additive gift. So if you are having a girls' night with your friend that you want to kind of enjoy this box together, then include 2, or if you're just giving them 1, then include 1 face mask or whatever. But anyway, those are the completed DIY gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know they were all kind of girl related, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm excited to do more DIY videos. And let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from me in the future. Let me know in the comment down below which DIY gift you like the best, or maybe which one you're thinking of giving to someone for their birthday. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out the other videos in the series. I do a lot of DIY party videos and also DIY birthday gifts, so check them out if you need some more ideas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.